We are in La Orotava, Canary Islands, Spain, and this is a shopping mall. It's called El Trompo. So take a look around. There are many shops around here. There is a bingo place, Chinatown, and of course would like to show more. There's a car dealer. Yeah, it's okay. So we can go here. And I think from up above, there is an amazing view that I would like to share with you. I think there are more shops, but they're working there. And so just take a look at here. Let's see. That's amazing. This is a hotel. And that's the sea again with more stuff. And the mountain with all the clouds around. Well, the view is amazing from here. Yeah, this is a quick update I wanted to share with you. Yeah, I can say that prices are quite affordable. Yeah, for example, I live in Italy, and in Italy prices are, I think, twice as expensive. Let's go downstairs. Take the escalator. Of course, COVID restrictions are in force, and for obvious reasons. Yeah, of course we have to go the long way. We have a bookshop here, the playground is closed. Yeah. Benches are not available, so you can't sit. And this is, so tiring. Well, the shopping mall, is not so big, but you can find a lot of things here. Do your eyebrows, your nails. You have beauticians, everything. Bars, restaurants. Well, folks, this is just a quick update. I hope you enjoyed, of course. Leave me a comment if you liked the video. Leave me a like. Subscribe to this channel. And bye for now. Ciao for now.